You're searching for an attorney to represent you in your accident case. I want to share with you one question you should ask every single attorney you are considering hiring. You want to know what that question is? Come join me for a moment as I open your eyes to something really interesting and really cool. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Every attorney talks about their great successes. You go onto every attorney's website, they talk about their wonderful settlements, their wonderful verdicts, as they rightfully should. They want to show you that they've gotten great results for these types of cases, and that's fantastic. But here's one question you should be asking every single attorney you talk to. Have you ever lost a case? And watch the attorney's reaction. Watch what they do. Watch what they say. The really smart attorneys are going to own up and tell you, yes, I've lost a case. And then ask them, tell me about that case. Tell me why you lost that case. And watch the reaction. You will find that the best trial attorneys in New York are ones who, unfortunately, at one time or another, have lost a case. The best of the best have lost cases. There is nobody around who tries cases on a regular basis who can tell you honestly with a straight face, I've never lost a case in my life. Well, it's highly unlikely. In all likelihood, an attorney who has tried cases throughout his career will have at some point lost a case. And you know what? It may not be the attorney's fault. They may not have liked the client's case. They may not have liked the facts. Maybe evidence was missing. There could be many different reasons why the jury didn't agree with his client's position. But I always find it very eye-opening and very enlightening to learn why a case was lost. And simply because an attorney has lost a case doesn't mean they're not a good attorney. Just the opposite. They could be a fantastic attorney. But even really great attorneys, from time to time, will lose a case. But you know what? You'll never see that information on the attorney's website. You'll never see it in a press release. You'll never see it in the newspaper about the case the attorney lost. So now, as you're determining which lawyer is the best lawyer for you, you can do yourself a favor. Ask each attorney, have you ever lost a case before? And when they say yes, simply ask them, tell me about that case. The mere fact that an attorney has lost a case, in all likelihood, won't change your opinion of him at all, especially if he's forthright and forthcoming about a case that he's lost. So ask the question. See what happens. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit for your injuries and you've got questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.